Hello everyone, there are so many times we are looking for a high quality photo for our UI UX design project or graphic design project. So if you are a graphic designer or UI UX designer, then I think this video is very helpful for you, because in this video I will show you how can you find a high quality photo for your UI UX design or graphic design project. Like, this is a pixabay.com. This is very popular photo download website. From this website you can download 1000+ images without any cost. Like, if you like this photo to use in your project, then just click here, and few times later after loading this image you can just click here like this, and here you see the size of this image. Like, if you like this size, then just click here download, and few times later here you see a pop-up. I am not robot, just check this box, and from here you can just identify this topic. Like, here it needs board, so I just click the board like this. Okay, done, and I just click download, and after few times later this photo will be downloaded in your PC. So from this website you can download by this ways, and another website is pixels.com. When you came to this website you will see lots of images, high quality image. If you like this image, just click here, or if you are looking any other image, just type your desired image by your keyword from here. And another website is unsplash.com. This website actually previous like. So if you like this image, just click here, or if you are looking any other images, then just type the image keyword here. So from this ways you can download high quality image for your UI UX design or graphic design project. So that's all about our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you or your colleagues or friends who are interested in graphic design or UI UX design, then you can share this video with them. Feel free to share your feedback about this video. Thank you very much.